Namaste student, Khushro Vidya. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari in my assistant professor in management department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about advertising and sales promotion. In this subject our topic is positioning. So let's start about positioning. What is positioning? Let's think about it. There are thousands of companies out there, many of which offer the same product, promise similar result, and are generally positioned the same in the market. So, why would a customer choose one company over another? Why take the first option rather than the second one if both lead you to the same type of business that sells the same thing? The answer is simple. None wants buy a product or service because it can do everything, but rather because it can do something. And that's what positioning in marketing implies. A clear positioning statement is at core of every marketing strategy, which drive the look and feel, words and phrases of your brand system. Positioning requires focus and a commitment to a specific niche, idea, or target audience. Your brand and marketing strategy would not work if you are trying to be all things to all people. This blog post will unearth some facts and let you know what positioning in marketing is and how to create an effective positioning strategy. So, what is positioning in marketing? Simply put, positioning in marketing is a strategic process that involves creating an identity, image of the brand or product within the target customer's mind. The process indicates how you differentiate your product, service from that of your competitors and then determine which market needs to fill. A company's marketing positioning strategy is affected by plenty of variables related to customers' requirement and motivation as well as by competitors' action. Let's see some typical example of marketing positioning. Tesla and Audi position themselves as a luxury status symbol. Starbucks positioning itself as a trust source of upscale quality coffee and beverage. McDonald's positioning itself as a place to get quick and cheap meals. Microsoft and Apple position themselves as a tech company that offers innovative and user-friendly product. Positioning and marketing is about more than simply adding a category or specialty page on your website. With positioning comes a need to live and breathe that expertise, from generating content to conducting research and branding your company to appeal to your defined target buyer. What is marketing? Types of positioning. Researchers in the Journal of Business and Industrial Marketing discover that positioning in marketing is predominantly determined by hard criteria. Example: quality of product and service, and relationship building factor. Example: personal contact. Other consideration such as company structure, example geographical coverage, degree of integration and breadth of offering, location in the distribution chain also play a vital role. The study also noted that the level of familiarity with a brand is a contributing factor to perception of pursued positioning in marketing strategy. Some common types of positioning in marketing. First one is pricing. Pricing an essential factor that impact the decision of most customers. Companies with the lowest price product at a reasonable level of quality usually wins in many product areas. For example, Gillette versus Dollar Shave Club. Lower price alternative to some high quality brands like Gillette have changed the landscape of razor and refill bladed. The Washington Post reported on Gillette's decreasing market share due to Dollar Shave Club's low price. The cheapest refill razor cartridge of Dollar Shave Club was 20 cents compared to $2 to $6 a cartridge for Gillette. Next is quality. Quality can help reverse most pricing wars in some markets such as luxury cosmetics or cars. Quality can define who the competitors are. For instance, Chipotle versus Taco Bell ranked 14th in the top 50 fast food restaurants in America by QSR magazine. Chipotle has grabbed a significant market share over the years by focusing on quality instead of price. Next, differentiation. Differentiation is what set your product or service apart from the crowd. If your product service is dramatically different, rivals may not pose as much of a threat. For example, Toyota versus Tesla. Tesla entered the electronic vehicle market with a luxury model, rapidly sidestepping economy cars like the Toyota Prius. Tesla actually targeted the high-end market with the Model S. Next, convenience. Convenience create an easier life for customer. For location to usability, convenience could incorporate something like free returns and e-commerce. For example, Simple versus Bank of America. Some transactional banks have been slow to create mobile apps, but online only banks like Simple have invested in this to appeal to younger and more technical savvy customers. The company even charges no fees and has convenient built in budgeting and saving tools. Next, customer service. Customer service emphasizes creating helpful and friendly interaction. This can be especially critical in specific industries such as restaurant and banking areas. For example, Allstate and versus State Farm. Both insurance companies recognize the importance of customer service in this industry, where contact with customers is indispensable. They use customer service based message in their marketing to focus on this position. Next, a user group. This type of positioning targets a particular group of users and explain why the company's offering are directly applicable and relevant to this group. For instance, Johnson versus X. While Johnson's baby shampoo positioning itself as gentle for children, X body spray target only men. 5 benefits of positioning and market. There are a number of reasons why you should consider making positioning part of your marketing strategy. With the right positioning tactics, you can create better marketing message, shape your service better, and structure pricing plans so that you remain competitive. First one is create a strong competitive position. Proper positioning influences how customers perceive your product or service relative to the competition. When you create a positive image of your product service in the uh, customer's mind, you are likely to enjoy an ongoing market advantage. While doing this, you can claim your position in the competitive landscape, which help you a lot to stay ahead of the curve. Next, improve sales. One of the main goals of any business is to improve sales and revenue. By having a more relevant offering, more effectively, your company may be able to penetrate a new market, which can translate into new clients and additional sales. Next, define a clear target market. Positioning in market allow you to claim a specific feature or benefits and focus your product uh, service according so that you appear as an expert in the services. As a result, your value to prospectus will increase significantly. Next, make more effective decisions. Once you have the core message that ensures successful positioning strategy, you will be in a position to make more effective decisions throughout the process. Clear positioning in marketing also drive effective communication, provide healthier and stronger relationship with customer. Next, connect to consumer needs. Through positioning in marketing, companies have an opportunity to communicate the critical benefit that their product service offers. It not only helps to enhance the product but also connects it to the specific customer that needs it. 5 example of positioning in market. First one is Tesla. Tesla leaves price out of its branding and instead focus on the quality of their vehicles. Therefore, Tesla is a luxury brand that is more expensive than its competitor. In addition, Tesla automobiles are long range, eco-friendly and electric. Tesla differentiates itself from other gas-powered luxury and standard electric vehicle because of its high quality. The company established a niche market for itself and a fun brand to match it. CEO Elon Musk has even built it himself up as a Tony Stark-like character, and the company promote its uniqueness through ads and quickly features such as ludicrous mode. Next, Starbucks coffee consumption in the US has been witnessing a downward trend since the 1960s. Hence, Starbucks was extremely cautious in choosing its target market. Starbucks targeted office workers from the middle to high income who desire to purchase premium product. The company wants to make itself the third place, the place between home and work where customers could gather, relax and interact with each other, so they are vigilant about their quality control to meet the high expectation. In most of their advertising campaign, they often highlight their identity by showing the following value proposition statement: the best coffee, the finest milk, rich and smooth flavor, natural and clean, and 100% recycled paper use. All of these statements in the given a sense to potential customer that they will undoubtedly receive high quality, clean and upscale beverage they will love. With such a successful positioning in marketing strategy like that, it is no surprise when Starbucks for years has been the top coffee provider in America. Next, Dollar Shave Club. Its name demonstrate one of the main aspects of Dollar Shave Club marketing positioning, its low cost. The company has focused its positioning on convenience and affordable, creating a related brand for the average consumer. In this session, important question asked in the examination define positioning with example and types of positioning. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In this session, you have any questions, any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.